Hello, and welcome to the exciting world of YouTube automation. If you've ever dreamed of creating captivating YouTube content with minimal effort, you're in the right place. Today, I'll introduce you to a revolutionary approach that combines the power of AI and cutting-edge tools to streamline and automate your video creation process. First, we'll look into what YouTube automation is all about. Imagine having more time to focus on your strategy and growth while your channel continually gets enriched with high-quality content. One of the incredible tools we'll talk about today is ChatGPT for script writing. Next, we'll talk about Pictory AI. Pictory is a state-of-the-art AI tool that auto-generates visual, compelling, and engaging videos with superior AI voiceover. It's about enhancing the quality and appeal of your videos, ensuring that each one captures your audience's attention. But seeing is believing, right? That's why I'll be showing you a live demo of how these tools work together to create YouTube content that stands out. Plus, as a bonus, you'll receive my free ebook on the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. And it is packed with insights and strategies to turn your content into a revenue stream. Now, with these 3 steps, as I teach in my course, I started off with my first YouTube automation channel, and I made a few $1,000s in the first week. And after 6 months, I was up at $200,000. And I can show you how to do that in the course. So get ready to transform the way you create content and unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel with automation.
Hello, and welcome to the world of YouTube automation, your fast track to content creation. Before we get started, let me give you an auto-generated, faceless overview of YouTube automation so that you can see the difference, because I want to tell you about using artificial intelligence to automate content creation for your faceless YouTube channel. Let's take a look at what I like to call true YouTube automation, smart AI that makes content creation a breeze. Until now, what many considered automation was essentially outsourcing content development to offshore teams for script writing and video production. But today we're talking about a game-changing approach that puts real automation at your fingertips. With the advent of ChatGPT, script writing is no longer a time-consuming task. In minutes, you can have engaging scripts ready to go, tailored specifically to your audience's interests and needs. Next up is Pictory, a groundbreaking tool that transforms these scripts into visually compelling, engaging videos complete with superior AI voiceovers. This isn't just about cutting corners. It's about enhancing the quality of your content while saving invaluable time. In just a moment, you'll see a demonstration of a video that took less than 10 minutes to produce from script to final cut. This demo will showcase the remarkable capabilities of these tools and the kind of high-quality content they can generate. But let's not forget, creating great content is just the first part of YouTube automation. The second crucial phase is monetizing your channel. That's where the YouTube Fast Track course comes in. This course is designed to teach you ingenious strategies to automate marketing and affiliate revenue, turning your channel into a money-making machine. By clicking the link in the description below, you'll not only get access to this free course, but also receive the free ebook detailing the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. So this is what true automation looks like. And next, watch a demonstration of the high-quality content you can produce with ChatGPT and Pictory. This is content with valuable information that is compelling and engaging, and that can go viral. Check it out.
Affiliate marketing on YouTube for beginners. Affiliate marketing on YouTube has become a lucrative avenue for creators to monetize their content. By promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through their unique affiliate links, YouTubers can turn their passion into profit. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to successfully engage in affiliate marketing on YouTube, with an example illustrating the potential to earn $40,000 in 30 days. The first step is to determine your niche. It should be a topic you are passionate about and which has a substantial audience interested in it. For example, let's consider the niche of tech gadgets. Step 2. Choose the right affiliate programs. Once your niche is identified, select affiliate programs that align with your content. Popular platforms include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareSale. For our tech niche, you might choose affiliates offering the latest gadgets, software, or tech services. Step 3. Create engaging content. Content is king on YouTube. Develop videos that are informative, entertaining, and relevant to your niche. For instance, you could create product review videos, tutorials, or unboxing videos of the latest tech gadgets. Step 4. Integrate affiliate links. Place your affiliate links in the video description, ensuring they are clearly visible to your viewers. Step 5. Optimize for SEO. Use SEO strategies to increase the visibility of your videos. I use vidIQ. It's the best YouTube SEO tool and helps a lot in getting the right keywords for titles, tags, and descriptions. vidIQ can mean the difference between videos that get 100 views and videos that get 1,000,000 views. Click my vidIQ affiliate link in the description below. Step 6. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media, forums, and other platforms to drive traffic. Engage with your audience through comments, live streams, and Q&A sessions to build a community around your channel. Step 7. Track and analyze performance. Utilize YouTube Analytics to track the performance of your videos. Pay attention to metrics like view count, click-through rate, center on your affiliate links, and conversion rates. Example and earnings calculation. Let's say you create a series of videos reviewing the latest smartphones. Your videos manage to garner a total of 500,000 views over 30 days. Center on affiliate links. A 4% center would result in 20,000 clicks on your affiliate links. Conversion rate. A conservative 1% conversion rate would mean 200 sales. Average commission per sale. Let's say the average smartphone costs $1,000, and your commission rate is 2%. You earn $20 per sale. Total earnings. 200 sales x $20 commission equals $4,000. To reach $40,000, you could scale this model across multiple products, increase your video output, or optimize your content for higher center and conversion rates. To increase earnings, you can diversify your content with more product reviews, comparisons, and tutorials. Collaborate with other creators for a broader reach. Run paid promotions for your most popular videos. Challenges and solutions. Saturation. The tech gadget niche is highly competitive. To stand out, focus on unique aspects of products or cover niche gadgets. Viewer trust. Always be honest in your reviews to build trust. Authenticity leads to better audience retention and higher conversion rates. Affiliate marketing on YouTube requires consistent effort, strategic planning, and a focus on creating valuable content for your audience. By following these steps and scaling your efforts, it's possible to reach significant earnings. Remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight but through persistent and smart work.
Imagine earning thousands in passive income from your very own automated, faceless YouTube channel. The opportunity is just a click away. Click the link in the description now and take the first step towards your financial freedom. Don't be left behind. Thousands of people are already creating financial success. Don't miss out on your chance to join them. Click the link in the description now and start your path to financial freedom. Your future awaits. Like this video and subscribe to learn more about making.
For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.